ॐ वक्रतुण्डमहाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणि विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। साक्षात्कृतं दयानन्दं परमार्थस्वरूपिणं तत्त्वज्ञानप्रशास्तारं प्रणतोऽस्मि परं पदम्। वागर्थाविव सम्पृक्तौ वागर्थप्रतिपत्तये जगतः पितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ। येनाक्षरसमाम्नायम् अधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यङ्करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। अथ प्रथमोऽध्यायः चतुर्थः पादः।
अथ प्रथमोऽध्यायः चतुर्थः पादः।
कारके
कारके
ध्रुवम् अपाये अपादानम्
ध्रुवम् अपाये अपादानम्
भीत्रार्थानां भयहेतुः
भीत्रार्थानां भयहेतुः
पराजेरसोढः
पराजेरसोढः
वारणार्थानामीप्सितः
वारणार्थानामीप्सितः
अन्तर्धौ येनादर्शनमिच्छति
अन्तर्धो येन दर्शनमिच्छति
आख्यातोपयोगे
आख्यातोपयोगे
जनिकर्तुः प्रकृतिः
जनिकर्तुः प्रकृतिः
भुवः प्रभवः
भुवः प्रभवः
कर्मणा यमभिप्रैति स सम्प्रदानम्
कर्मणायमभिप्रैति सम्प्रदानम्
उच्यर्थानां प्रीयमाणः
रुच्यर्थानां प्रीयमाणः
श्रागण्णुस्ताशपामीप्स्यमानः
श्रान्नुस्ताशपामीप्स्यमानः
धारेरुत्थमर्णः
धारेरुत्तमर्णः
स्पृहेरीप्सितः
स्पृहेरीप्सितः
क्रुधद्रुहेर्ष्यासूयार्थानां यं प्रतिकोपः
क्रुद्धगृहेर्ष्यासूयार्थानां यं प्रतिकोपः
क्रुधद्रुहोरुपसृष्टयो कर्म
क्रुधदुःखसृष्टयोः कर्म
रादिक्षोर्यस्य विप्रश्नः
रादिक्षोर्यस्य प्रश्नः
प्रत्याङ्ग्यां शुवः पूर्वस्य कर्ता
प्रत्याङ्ग्यां शुभपूर्वस्य कर्ता
अनुप्रतिगृणश्च
अनुप्रतिगृणश्च
साधकतमं करणम्
साधकतमं करणम्
दिवः कर्म च
इव कर्म च
परिक्रयणे सम्प्रदानम् अन्यतरस्याम्
परिक्रयणे सम्प्रदानम्
सम्प्रदानमन्यतरस्याम्
अन्यतरस्याम्
आधारोऽधिकरणम्
आधाराधिकरणम्
अधिशिंस्तासाम् कर्म
अधिशीस्तासां कर्म
अभिनिविशश्च
अभिनिविशश्च
उपान्वद्भ्यां सह
उपाद्यांबसः
कर्तुरीप्सिततमम् कर्म
कर्तुरीप्सिततमं कर्म
तथा युक्तं चानीप्सितम्
तथा
तथा
युक्तं
युक्तं
चानीप्सितम्
ईप्सितम्
ईप्सितम् अकथितं च
अकथितं च
अकर्मकदातुभिर्योगे देशकालो भावो गन्तव्योऽध्वाच्य कर्म इति वाच्यम्
अकर्मधातुभिर्योगे देशकालो भावो गन्तव्योऽध्वाच्य कर्म इति वाच्यम्
गतिबुद्धिप्रत्यवसानार्थशब्दकर्मा कर्मकाणाम् अणिकर्तासनौ
गतिबुद्धिप्रत्यवसानार्थशब्दकर्मा
कर्मकाणामणिकर्तासनौ
कर्तासनौ
ऋक्रोरण्यतरस्याम्
अभिवादिदृशोरात्मनेपदे वेति वाच्यम्
अभिवादिदृशोरात्मनेपदे वेति वाच्यम्
स्वतन्त्रः कर्ता
स्वतन्त्रः कर्ता
तत्प्रयोजकश्च
प्रयोजको हेतुश्च
प्रयोजको हेतुश्च
तत्प्रयोजको हेतुश्च
What was the last sutram? Kartuhu?
कर्तुरीप्सितमं कर्म
karma. In that we saw 3 divisions. Nirvatyam, Vikaryam, Prapyam.
Tata yuktam cha anipsitam. Okay, before that, let us. नी और वक्त धातुओं के अन्यंत कर्ता की नियंता अवस्था में कर्म संज्ञा का निषेध करने वाला वार्तिक. Okay, he is going to come, but नी हृ नी वह
निवह्योर्न
नी वग्योर न. So, but वार्तिकम, what वार्तिकम कर्म संज्ञा is अन्यंत कर्ता की नियंता अवस्था में कर्म संज्ञा is negated.
यति बुद्धि.
Yes, for that. नी वग्योर न आधार की कर्म संज्ञा करने वाला सूत्र. Which one?
Adhishistasam karma.
Why not Abhinivishasya? That's why we chanted now. Abhinivishasya upanvadhyang vasaha vishdhatu vasdhatu and this.
Sarve.
Therefore all. Therefore all the 3. उपर्युक्त सभी इस उपसर्ग के योग में शीं स्था आस धातु के आधार की कर्म संज्ञा हो जाती है. शीं उपसर्ग, व्हाट उपसर्ग? अदि शीं स्था साम इज अदि. अभी और नी उपसर्ग पूर्वक किस धातु के आधार की कर्म संज्ञा? Just now we chanted. अभिनिविशश्च विष्टातु ई. उपान्वद्यांग वसः, इस सूत्र में कितने उपसर्ग परिगणित है?
अदि अनु
Yes.
Ang. Ang.
Therefore, how many are there? 4.
4.
Double E is the answer. किन अव्ययों के योग में द्वितीय विभक्ति का प्रयोग होता है? आंसर
द्वितीय विभक्ति
द्वितीय विभक्ति का प्रयोग अंतरा अंतरा अंतरेण one sutram is there 2 3 antara antarena
Sabi. 4.
dik also
Yeah. Dik also Dvitiya.
dik
So
also Dvitiya.
Uparyukta Sabi.
All, yes. अत्यंत संयोग अर्थ होने पर कालवाचक तथा मार्गवाचक शब्दों से फल प्राप्ति न होने पर कौन विभक्ति फल प्राप्ति न होने पर कौन विभक्ति होती है? फल प्राप्ति न होने से.
Yeah.
So फल प्राप्त अपवर्गे तृतीय. अपवर्ग means फल प्राप्ति. अपवर्गे तृतीय. If अपवर्ग is not there, then it has to be कालाद्वनोः अत्यंत संयोगे by that sutram 2 3. It will be द्वितीय only.
Viti.
कालाद्वनोः अत्यंत संयोगे 2 3 section. अपवर्गे तृतीय. When the action is completed, फल प्राप्ति कालाद्वनोः अत्यंत संयोगे. This is a sutra.
Yes.
Okay. किस पद के योग में द्वितीय विभक्ति नहीं आती है? अभितः परितः समया निकषः प्रति अयि भोः.
Ayi Bo.
अयि भोः संबोधना.
Sambodhana.
So द्वितीय विभक्ति will not come. अभितः केशवं गोपाः गास्वतं परितः स्थिताः समय तम स्थिता राधा निकषातां सखी जनः. यहाँ किस वार्तिक से द्वितीय विभक्ति हुई है?
अभितः
परितः समया निकषः प्रति योगे
अपि. यस. सह साकं सार्धं समं सत्र आदि के योग में प्रधान में किस विभक्ति का विधान किया जाता है? तृतीय. येनांग विकारः सूत्र का उदाहरण.
अक्षणाकानः.
Why that only? What about others?
पादेन कञ्जः
All.
उपर्युक्त सभी.
इत्थम भूत लक्षणे सूत्र से तृतीय विभक्ति का विधान किया गया है. Which one? जटाभिः तापसः आकृत्य शूरः वेशेन यतिः उपर्युक्त सभी.
जटाभिस्तापसः.
That is stock example. Tapasvi is characterized by his jata. Similarly, Shura is characterized by his akriti, his form.
Akriti.
Yati also, Veshena Yatihi. So all the three, Tambute Tritiya, possible. हेतु सूत्र से हेतु अर्थात कारण में कौन सी विभक्ति होती है? हेतु
पंचमी is also there.
हेतु but sutra is hetu.
Hetu Tritiya.
Hetu sutra will take only tritiya, but coming as anuvritti gune vibhasha astriyam, then it is panchami. Vibhasha gune astriyam. Hetu coming as anuvritti, then it will पंचमी. बट हेतु सूत्र only is asking. हेतु सूत्र से हेतु अर्थात कारण में कौन सी विभक्ति होती है? 29. What is that answer? तृतीया only. पुण्येन दृष्टः हरिः में किस सूत्र से तृतीया विभक्ति का विधान किया गया है? We saw this example. Stock example. This is Hetu Tritiya. Hetu we saw Hetu and another one. Two things. Karana. Difference between these two.
कर्तृकरणयोः
Dravya guna kriya janakatve sati nirvyapara savyapara vrittiyat tat hetutvam. There we saw this stock example. Okay. Whereas in karana, the kriya janakatve vyapara vatavritti. अपवर्गे तृतीया इस सूत्र का उदाहरण नहीं है। मासमदीते मासेन अदीतः क्रोशेन अदीतः इनमें से कोई नहीं। अपवर्गे तृतीया मासमदीते नो, बिकॉज अपवर्ग मीन्स फल प्राप्ति। सॉरी, या फल प्राप्ति। अपवर्गे तृतीया उदाहरण नहीं है, नेगेटिव आंसर। ओके, मासमदीते, या मासमदीते, when phala prapti is done, then masena tritiya will be there. When phala prapti not there, then only द्वितीया विभक्ति काला दोनों हो अत्यंत संयोगे। तो इन सूत्र का उदाहरण नहीं है, which is not the example for this sutra. This masena aditah is example.
Example, that is the example.
Kroshena aditah anuvaka also example. He has completed study of the kosha, study of the anuvaka in that kosha, in the distance travel. Masamadita is not the example. That is, see, not the example for apavarge tritiya.
No tritiya also, masam.
Yeah, so that is the example.
Yeah,
Yes.
tritiya is.
Okay. Vibhakti vallari. Vanapalaha dash kapi duri karoti. I'm not sure whether we read this. Anyway, just a quickly you can do. Vanapalaha dash kapi. Vanapalaha is Pratama Vibhakti. Okay, you know the answer. Kapi will become?
Kapin.
Kapim. Ekavachanam or Bhagavachanam, whatever it is. Okay. Dvitiya Bhagavachanam he is asking. Okay. Therefore,
Kapin.
Kapin. So, Asmin Vakye Karta
Vanapalaha.
Kartuhu Pratama Vibhakti by the Sutram. Karta is Abhigita. Therefore, Pratipadika Linga Parimana Vachane Pratama. This 2-3 section. That also we will see all the sutras. There it is that Pratipadika Linga Parimana Vachane Pratama. 2-3-46. Otherwise, we can say Abhigita Karta. That sutra is by this. Okay, then Kapin is Dvitiya Vibhakti by the sutram.
Ipsitam. Ipsitamam karma.
Karto Ipsitamam karma. So Karta Pashyati. What Pashyati? Gurun. That Kriyayaha Palam Pashyati. Namana Kriya, sorry, Duri Karana. Kriyayaha Palam. The Kriyayaha Palam. That Kapau Pashyati. Right? So Vanapalaha Kapau Palam Pashyati. What is the Palam? That Duri Karana Palam. Asanyoga Palam. Something we have to say. Asanyoga Vyaparasya Palam. Bhaktaha dash Muni Pranamanti.
Pranamati.
Muneen.
Pranamanti.
So Bhaktaha again. What is Sutra? By that which is Pratama Bhakti.
Pratipadika
Linga Parimana.
Vachane Pratama.
Pratama.
Yeah, by repeating, you remember the Sutra. Muneen Dvitiya Bhakti by
Kartuhu Ipsitamam
Karma. So we saw Kartuhu Yat Aptum Ishtatamam Bhavati Tasya Karma Sanya. Dhatri dash Shishu Palayati.
Shishun
Palayati.
धात्री
धात्री by प्रातिपदिकार्थ लिंगवचन
लिंग परिमाण वचने
परिमाणवचनमात्रे प्रथम
yes pratama. What is the pradipadikam धात्री?
धातृ
Dhatru no, Dhatri only.
धातृ
Dhatru becomes Dhatri by Gni Pratyaya, Aranyebhyaha Gni, by that sutra in Triyam Adhikare, 4th chapter, first pada, Gni Pratyaya. Therefore, R plus E, what's in the Dhatru plus E, what's in the N Sandhi. Therefore, Dhatri, Nadi Shabdavat. All recurrent, there is no recurrent agent based, noun based, not there in Sri Lanka. Why? Because all agent based, noun based, no, agent noun based will become Ikaranta by adding E Pratyaya. Only we have familial noun base. Matra, Nanandra, Swasra, all those. Right? The agent noun base, that is Vikaranta, which is derived from a Dhatu. Kartru become Kartri, Dhatru, Dhatri, Dhatru, Dhatri. So all those Shrotra, Shrotri becomes Ikaranta Shabda. Shishun Palayati, Kartuhu Ipsitamam Karma. Sainikaha, ultimately all the, and quickly you can read. So you can remember. Pratipadika Dalinga Parimana Vachane Pratama, Kartuhu Ipsitamam Karma, 2 sutras. Sainikaha dash Marayanti.
शत्रून् मारयन्ति
Girgastaha dash Atiti Satkaroti.
अतिथीन् सत्करोति
Atitin. Yes. Chaturaha dash Upadishati.
स्त्रीणा युक्तिः
Yukti Mati Shabdavat. Yujudhatu plus Tin Pratyaya. Yuj plus Tin. When Kuttam happens, Yukti. Like Mati Shabdavat. Mati. Not Yuktin, Yukti. Srilinga, right?
Yes.
Mati, Mati, Mateha, Mati, Mati, Matihi. Yukti. Not Yuktin. It is Srilinga Shabda. Chatraha Kalidasasya dash Kriti Patati.
कृतिः पठति
Kritihi. This is also Tin Pratyaya. Krudanta. Kru plus Tin. Kalidasasya Shashti. Sambandha Shashti. Shashti Sheshe. Pradhanadhyapakaha dash Pitru Nimantrayati.
पितॄन्
Pitru.
निमन्त्रयति
Karyakartri Strilinga. Kartru plus Neep Karyakartri. Dash Matru Stri Melayati.
मातृ मातृ
Matru. Right? Bhagavachanam. Yachakaha dash Datru Pashyati.
मातॄन्
Datruna. Kriyaya yat sadhanam bhavati tasya tritiya vyaktihi bhavati. Sutram is
कर्तृकर्णे तृतीया
साधकतमं कुरु
sadhakatamam. It is. Kriyaya yat sadhanam bhavati. Upakaram. Prakishta upakarakam sadhanam yat bhavati. Tasya tritiya. So, therefore, this is here it is Karturi Sadhakatamam Karanam and Tritiya Vyakti by Kartakaranayo Tritiya. That's correct.
कर्तृकरणयोः तृतीय
Karaka by the Sadhanam, the word suggests it is the Karaka is Karanakaraka and Tritiya Vyakti by Kartakaranayo Tritiya.
कर्णयोः
Both you have to remember. Saha Dandena Shunakam Tadayati. Tadayati Kriyayaha. Karta is Saha.
सः
Tasya Pratama Vyakti by
प्रातिपदिकार्थ
प्रातिपदिकार्थ
Parimana Vachane Pratama.
परिमाणवचनमात्रे
And Tada Tada Vyaparasya Palam Karta Putra Pashyati Kasmin Palam Pashyati. Shunake.
Shunaka. Shunaka.
Palam in the sense of palam, what palam is? Tarayati.
Anipsitam.
No. Tarayati,
Hmm.
the palam, and just a vyaparasya palam. What is the palam? Why? Beating by that, what he wants to see, the result, what he wants to accomplish. Vyaparasya. What is the vyapara I'm asking? Okay, palam karta shunakau pashyati. No, I'm sorry, shunake pashyati, right? Karta palam shunake pashyati. Vyaparasya palam. Kaha vyaparaha?
ताडन
Tadanakriya.
ताडनक्रियायाः
ताडनक्रिया
You can say tadanakriyayaha vyaparasya palam. But more refined by saying, like we say, no, going to a country, sanyoga rupa, sanyoga anukula vyapara, something like that. Similarly, here he wants to see or duri karana, whatever it is. Why the person beats a dog? There must be the vyapara has the intention, as the some expectation. That up to us, you have to supply, you have to think and whatever. He wants to hurt, yes, why not? Wants to hurt the dog, possible. Imsa, you can say something like that. Imsa, anukula, vyaparasya, palam, karta, shunake, pashyati. He wants to hurt the dog, or he wants to chase away the dog. Duri karana.
तुष्यनुकूलव्यापार ताडनक्रियायाः फलं
Tushti illa.
शुनके
What tushti? You say tushti. Does he become happy because of beating the dog? Vivaksha, can say. Okay, whatever may be, the vyapara, it's up to you. You can have your own thing. So, vyaparasya palam, shunake karta, shunake pashyati. Tadana is the kriya, the kriyayaha vyaparasya. The vyapara we can define in your own words. I said, imsa anukula vyaparasya palam. That the karta shunake pashyati. Tadana kriya. So, imsa anukula tadana vyaparasya palam shunake karta pashyati. Therefore, shunakasya dvitiya vibhakti katu hichitamam karma. And dandena, yes, now it is interesting. Dandena, what tritiya? Dandena tritiya vibhakti. Dandena is tritiya by what sutra?
Sadakatam. Karanam.
Karanam. It is karanam or hetu.
karanam
It is karanam only, karna sanya, right? It is karana. Karna is, we saw, karna is, the definition is kriya janakatve savyapara. Hetu, its vyapara also can be an example for hetu, right? Or you can say kriya siddho prakrishta upakarakam. So dandena is karana. Sadakatamam karanam kartri karanayos tritiya, by that tritiya vibhakti. एतैः साधनैः भवन्तः किं कर्तुं शक्नुवन्ति. Whenever shak is there, then tuman will be there. Kartum, not kurtum. It is kartum. Typo. So bhavantaha pratama. Pratipadika talinga parimanavachane pratama. Etaihi sadhanaihi. The word sadhanaihi, by this sadhana, therefore it is Prakishta Karakam. Question itself we have karana. Krishna upakaraka karakam karanam. Therefore, etai by these means. Answer is karavastram. Okay, this is one, not answer, sorry. This is one example. Another example, aham karavastrena mukam marjayami. Aham karta, pratipadikata linga parimana vachane. Then mukam,
द्वितीयः
ditya by what sutra?
कर्तुः
कर्तुः
ईप्सितमं
Ipsitamam karma. Marjayami is clean. So, that vyapara is vyaparasya palam. What is the vyapara?
मार्जनक्रिया
क्रिया
So, marjana
क्रियायाः
क्रियायाः
you can say like that, nothing wrong in that. Or you can use some that vyapara, which is,
शुचिं शुचिं करोति मार्जय.
yeah, for cleaning the face, yes. So, clean mukha, marjana, or mukha, you can say swachha, whatever it is. Swachhikarana, vyaparasya, palam, right? Mukhe, pashyati karta. Therefore, tasya, titiya vibhakti, like kartuhu ipsitamam kalam. Ipsitamam karma. Swachha, yeah, swachha, swachhikarana, vyaparasya, swachhikarana anukula vyaparasya, palam karta mukhe pashyati. Therefore, mukha shabdasya, kartuhu ipsitamam karma by that. Karma sanya. Karma sanya katvat anabhigite dvitiya by that sutram dvitiya vibhakti. Karavastrena hetu or karanam.
करणं
Kriya siddho. What is the kriya? Marjana kriya yaha siddhihi. Kena bhavati. Karavastrena. Therefore, kartar karanayos tritiya. Not hetu. Kartari. Then aham kagadam kartayami. All these are, you can just find out whether it is hetu or karana. Only that alone. Other things are all same. This Dvitiya Bhakti, that Vyapara, you have to write in your own words. Kagadam Kartayami is, that Kagadam is made into two. So Bhinna, that is, it is cut into two pieces. Bhinna or Chinna, right? Anukula Vyaparasya, Palam, Kagade Pashyati Karta. So therefore, Tasya, Kartaho Ipsitamam Karma, Sutrena, Dvitiya. Okay, Kagadam is paper. So that Dvitiya Bhakti. So all are like the Dvitiya. That is Kartaho Ipsitamam Karma. Now, Kartari will be
कर्तव्या
अहं
कर्तव्या
कर्तयामि
so what Karaka Kartari is. Sadhakatamam
साधकतमं करणं
करणं
and Tritiya Bhakti by
कर्तृकरणे
कर्तुकरणयोः तृतीया
Kartakaranayoho Tritiya. Aham Talam Udghatayami. Udghatayami meaning open. Udghatana is the palam. So Udghatana, the Vyapara you have to describe in your own words. Udghatana is inserting the key into the lock and you turn it. That is a Vyapara. That Vyaparasya Udghatana palam tale pashyati karta. Therefore, it is karmasanya katva dvitiya. So that's inserting the key into the lock and opening it. Opening the lock. That is that Anukula Vyapara. Opening the lock. How? By the key. Kunchikaya. Something we have to supply. Kunchikaya. Talu Udghatana. Vyaparasya. Vyapara Anukula. Vyaparasya Palam. Udghatana Anukula Vyaparasya Palam. Tale Pashyati Karta. Okay. Like that we have to write our own thing. What is the Vyapara? You have to write. Udghateti Dhatu Kriya. Kriyayaha Amshadvayam asti. One is Vyapara, other one is Palam. Vyapara is as Ashraya and the Karta. And Karta wants to see the Palam. If it is Sakarmaka Dhatu, he wants to see the Palam. And Palam will be in and as the Ashraya in Karma. So therefore we say Karta, Tale, that Palam Pashyati. Therefore Kartu is Tavam Karma. Now Kunchika is,
Kunchikaya.
it is
Key.
Kunchikaya.
So,
It is Karana Retu.
Karana.
Karana.
Kriya Siddho Prakrishtopakarakam. We can simply say that by that sutra. If you have any, if this is doesn't suit, then we have to check. Kriya Siddho Prakrishtopakarakam. Karana Sanya. Okay. Then Uttankana Yantram. Aham Uttankanam Karomi. Typing machine. Uttankana Yantrena.
Yantrena.
Similarly, Sivana Yantram. Yantrena. All are Kartakarana Vastratiya Sadhakatamam Karanam. Aham Sancharam Yantrena. Sivana
No,
Yantrena.
Sivana Yantram meaning is?
That is sewing machine, the tailoring machine is that.
Okay. Sivyati.
Dhatu is Shiv Dhatu. Which conjugation? Div Dhatu, Shiv Dhatu, Div become Divadikana. Divaho Padayaha Dirgaha Ikaha, by that Div become Divyati. Shiv becomes Sivyati. The same thing here. Shiv plus Lyut Pratyaya. Then you get Sivanam. Sivanam Karomi is nothing but Sivyati only. Sivyami. Sivanam Karomi is Sivyami. Sancharam Karomi is Sancharayami. Katam Kena Kriya Siddho Prakrishtopakarakam Vimana. Therefore,
Vimanena
Karna Sanya Tritiya. Aham Sukshma Vastuni Pashyami. Au.
Sukshma Darshakena.
Darshani.
Darshaka. Darshaka, how do you get the word Darshaka? Drish plus?
Lyut.
Not Lyut. Null. Kartari null. Darshaka null pratyaya. Drish will become?
Dash.
Yes. Pada is Rasva becomes Guna. Dru will become Darsh. Darsh plus null. Vu will become Aka. So Darsh plus Aka, Darshaka. So it is, Darshaka means, Darshaka Kartari, Kurut. The one who sees. It's called a Darshaka. So Sukshma Darshaka. Sukshma subtle, that which sees a subtle. It's called Sukshma Darshaka. So Sukshma Darshakam. So Sukshma Darshakam, Aham Sukshma Darshakena, Sukshma Vastuni Pashyami. What compound is a Sukshma Darshaka? Seer of Sukshma things. Sukshmanam Darshakaha, Sukshma Darshakaha. Simple Shashti Tat Purusha. Similarly, Sukshma Vastuni, what compound? You must know all this. Yes, seen. Sukshmani cha tani vastuni, sukshma vastuni. What compound?
कर्मधारय
Karmadharya. That vastus are objects which are subtle. Therefore, Karmadharya. Sukshmanam darshakaha, Sukshma darshaka. Darshaka is there. Null. Can be declined in all the gender. Similarly, Karaka also, that's how it comes. Karakam. Kru plus null. Chal plus null. Chalaka. Right? Okay. Kankatika. Aham kesha pradhanam karomi. Kesha, sorry. Prasadanam. Not pradhanam. Kesha prasadanam. Kankatikaya. Kankatikaya is
Kum.
home.
Home.
Home. Aham prayanam karomi. Yanam.
Lokayanena.
याने
Yanam. Yanam nattam happens. You can note here. Why nattam happens?
Repha is the Ra.
Ra in the upasarga only. Nattam happens only when. What is the sutra?
या
Punaha.
Kashabhyam nonaha savanapade. Remember? Atkupvang num vyavaye api.
yes
Remember? Once
Yes.
upon a time. This thing we are not seeing. You have to know. Yes, we know the sutra. I hope you remember. So, samanapade means ekapade only. Then the next sutra says,
अत्कुप्वं
that is okay. Atkupvang means even when this letter, any of the letter intervenes. Okay. Purvapadat sanyayam agaha. So here, Purvapada is, Purvapada that goes anuvritti up to 13. So this Nattam we will see, the entire Nattam once. Up to 31 or 39, we have this sutra, Natva. The sutra last one is 30, Anapadantasya, 37. Up to 37, this Natvam. Upasargat samase api nopadeshasya. That is one thing. So upasargat is there. Even an upasarga is there, this will happen. Upasarga, and it's a compounded prakarshena yati. So pra doesn't have anything in between. We have seen one example. You may not remember. Pranayakaha. One example we saw. Pranayakaha. That nayakaha, nattam will happen or not? Nayakaha. That depends on how you interpret the compound. Because it's a pranayakaha, pragataha, nayakaha, asmad, deshat. When you have pragataha, the word, if suppose, if it is there in between, pra is interpreted as pragataha, nayakaha, asmad, deshat, pranayakaha, deshaha. That nattam will not happen because pragataha is there. You follow what I'm saying?
Yes,
No. We saw this. We saw long back all these things. I don't know whether the notes must be there. See. Pra plus Nayakaha. So it has got suppose this word is Pra Nayakaha. It can be interpreted in two ways. One is Prakarshena Nayakaha, Prakarsha Nayakaha. Here it is pra. Therefore, Repa is here, therefore Pranayakaha is possible. Other way of interpreting compound, Pragataha, Nayakaha, Asmat, Deshat. So that Desha will be called Pragataha, Pranayakaha Deshaha. The Desha from where the person has left. So Pranayakaha referring to the Desha, not to the person. And when we interpret, we say Pragataha. The Gakara and Takara is Gakara is Kavarga letter. Takara is
Fluence in
Atkupvang Num Vyavayapi. In that Takara is not
Not
there. Therefore, Nattam will not happen because the pra stands for Pragata. Understand? The plain artham will not happen. How you interpret the word, the context depends. In this example here, simple it is prayanam only. Therefore, nothing can happen. How we get yanam? Ya plus what pratyaya? Yanam. Ya is ya to go. Yati. Ya plus lut. You get? Ya plus ana. Savana dirgha sandhi yana. Yanam yani yanani. Right? Yati anena iti. Yati gachati anena iti yanam. Karane lut we can say. That by which action is done. Yati gachati. So that by which a person goes. So therefore it is Karane lut. Yanam. Prayanam. Okay. So Lokayanam will be in what is the Lokayanam the sentence?
लोकयानेन अहं
लोकयानेन
प्रयाणं करोमि.
Therefore it is Sadhakatamam Karanam Kartakaranayos Tritiya. Remember like that. Lokayanam. Loka, what compound is that? Simple.
लोकस्य
Yes.
यानं.
Lokanam Yan. Loka is Jana.
Kashti Tatpurusha.
Chastita Purusha. Loka is people. Jananam. Lokanam Yanam. Lokayanam. Aham Sambhashanam Karomi. Katam Prakashta Upakarakam. Kim.
दूरवाण्या
Anya
Duravanya.
Sambhashanam Karomi.
What is Duravani? What compound is that? Vani, which is far. Can say. Vani, the Dura, the Vani
दूरार्थं
is speech. Shabda. Dura is
चतुर्थी विभक्ति
Chaturthi.
दूरार्थं वाणि.
Durartham Vani. Right? Durartham.
It's a far places we are doing.
Telephone. Telephone. Vani is sound. Phonetic phone. Speech. Vani. Vani, which is far. Or the Vani, I mean, your choice how to, I will interpret as Madhyama Badalopa Samasa. Durastita Vani. Vani, which is away. So Madhyama Badalopa Samasa. Right?
The
Samasa is
Vani
Uttara Padas.
comes from a distance.
Duratvaram.
Dura.
Your choice, how do you interpret? Madhyama Padalopa Samasa is possible. The Vani which is away. I said Vani which is away. Durastita Vani. So Dura Vani. Or any other way also you can interpret. So Karmadharaya. Taking that to be a Karmadharaya. And Duravani is referring to the instrument. So okay, Duravani is a particular instrument. Same. Or Durana Mani, Duravani. You can make it Shashti Tatpurusha also. No problem. Same. No problem. That is also fine. Dura Shabda is declinable. Durasya Vani, Duravani. By Duratvani. Vani,
Distance.
distance. So Durasya Vani, Duravani. Okay. So it is Shashti Tatpurusha. Okay. Agam Vidyalayam Gachami. What is the Prakishta Upakarakam? Gamana Kriyaya Yaha Siddhihi Katam Bhavati. For that, what is the
Vidyalaye.
Prakishta Upakarakam?
Krikaya.
Chakrikaya. Here the compound would be
Number is there.
Number is there. So
Drigu Samasa.
Digo Samasa.
Digu.
How do you know? Explain the Vigraha Vakya.
Dvayoho Chakra चक्रयोः
बहुव्रीहि మరి వేయగలను
द्वयोः बहुव्रीहि is अन्यपदप्रधाना. So Chakrika referring to the V. V is V. Okay. Dvigu Samasa, the case of Dvigu Samasa, stock example is, what is the example, stock example? What is the sutra of Dvigu Samasa? Dvigoho
अष्टाध्यायी also we can tell.
Ashtanam Adhyayanam Samaharaha. Yes. Samahara. Ashtanam Adhyayanam Samaharaha Ashtadhyayi, we say. Samahara Dvanda Samasa. Okay.
Oh, okay.
It is Dvanda. And the other sutra, Dvigoho Ekavachanam, you can see that. Like Dashapuli, Panchavoli. So like that. So you can say Dvigu Samasa. Dvigu also will be Ekavachanam only. So we can say Srilinga is Dve Chakrike or Dvayogo Chakrikayogo Samaharaha. Dvichakrika, we can say. Yeah, stock example. Something like that. Pancha Pulaha, Samahritaha, Panchapuli, Dashapuli, etc. Stock example. You can see the Sutra Dvigu Rekavachanam, that is the Sutra 241. Dviguhu Ekavachanam. Dvigu Samasaha Ekavachanam Bhavati. So Pancha Pulaha Samahritaha Panchapuli. Right. Dashapuli, Panchapuliyam, Shobhaneti. So therefore, similarly here, so Dvayoho Chakrayoho Samaharaha. Digu. Ashtana Madhyam Samahara also is Digu only. We use the word Samahara. Samahara Dvanda is different. Samahara Dvanda is Pani cha Padam cha Pani Padam, we say. That is always will be Ekavachanam. That is Dvanda. Samahara Dvanda. But if it is Dvigu Samasa, then Pratama will be a Sankhya. By that also we saw by the Sutra in 2.1 section. In 2.1 section, Desha Sankhya Yoho, that will be there, the 2.1. Samasa, long back we saw, that is, Dik Sankhya Sanyaya. The Dik and Sanya, that will be the Upasarjanam. Upasarjanatvat Purvam. And by Samahara is there. So therefore, you will have examples for Dvigu compounds here also. Taditarto Tarapada Samaharecha. So by that sutra only, you get Ashtana Madhyayanam. Ashta is Dik number Sankhya. Ashtana Madhyayanam Samaharaha. We get Ashtadhyayi. Right? Similarly here also, Dvayoho Chakrayoho Samaharaha, we can say Dvichakrika. So Aham Dvichakriyakya Vidyalayam Gachami. Okay, Lekani. Aham Lekanya Aksharani Likami. Kurchaha is brush. Danta Kurchaha is toothbrush.
Varna Kurchaha.
Kurchena Chitrani Likami. With Kurchena nothing happens. No. Jai is not included. Syutaha Aham Astuni Anayami. Katam.
Syutena Vastuni Anayami.
All these are Karana Karaka only. अहमस्तूनि तोलयामि, तोलया। दन्तकूर्चः नेक्स्ट वन। अहम दन्तवादनं करोमि, कथं दन्त
दन्तकूर्चेन दन्तधावनं करोति।
तृतीया भक्ति भावसूचकानां शब्दानामपि तृतीया। भावसूचका is here using the word
Indicating the
भावसूचका. Huh?
Indicating the state or mood.
Yeah, what is Tritiya Bhakti by what sutra? It is Tritiya Bhakti by the sutram Praकृत्यादिभ्यः उपसंख्यानम्.
Upasankhyanam.
Yeah, Kartakarani was Tritiya, where we have this Praकृत्यादिभ्यः उपसंख्यानम्. Vedanta Kumarikara says, Prakrutyacharuhu, Prayena Yajnikaha, Gotrena Gargyaha, all these examples. Sukhena Dukkena Va, Yati Gacchati. So see the example here. All these are examples. So Prakrityadibhyaha upasankhyanam, that is Bhava Suchaka Shabda. And Prakriti is a Gana, it's Akriti Gana. So the words what are given in this sutra, that example, which are there in the Prakriti Gana, it is Akriti Gana, open Gana. Therefore, other words also we can include. We cannot add, but whatever is there in the language, that can be. So aham, okay. Balakah santoshena kreditum gatavan. So gatavan balakah, we know pratama, it is pratama, kreditum avyaya santoshena, happily. So adverbial, sukhena, dukkena, like that, santoshena. It is not karna, it is not yetu. It is tritiya. Tritiya bhakti, by what sutra de tritiya? Prakrityadibhyaha upasankyanam. We can say bhava suchaka shabdanam otherwise. Indicates the state, the condition. Okay. Aham krishim karoti sma. How? Parishramena.
Parishramena.
Please note, this is all Prakrityadibhyaha upasankyanam by the tritiya. And sometimes we have dvitiya. Aham mandam gacchami. Aham,
Aham mandam krishim karomi.
something like that. Mandam is that. Mandam is
Slowly.
Slowly.
the Dvitiya Bhakti, adverbial, that also it is. Here Tritiya by the Vartika, there mandam gacchami, agam shigram patami, like that. There it is Kriya Visheshanatvat Karmatvam Ishyate, that's the Vartika. By that it is karma and Napumsakalinga Ekavachanam will be. Okay, we may come across those words. I think we have seen also. I'm not sure whether the Vartika will be here. Kriya Visheshanat. Yeah, here it is. Kriya Visheshananam, Dvitiya Ekavachanam, and Klibam also. Klibata Ishyate. Vartika is there in somewhere, Abhibhavascha, 2:18. Kriya Visheshanam is adverb. Adverb will be Dvitiya Bhakti, Napumsakalinga Ekavachanam. Tasya Karmatvam Ishyate. Maybe examples you can see in there. It's here. Klibata Ishyate. Kashika. Mridu Pachati. That's a good example. Mridu is Mridu Napumsakalinga. Mridu Mriduni Mriduni. Here it is Kriya Visheshanam Klibata Ishyate. So Mridu is Dvitiya Bhakti Ekavachanam, adverbial qualifying the verb. Similarly, Shobhanam Pachati. Shobhanam is Dvitiya. Dvitiya Bhakti by what? Kartuhi Ipsitavam Karma? No. It is adverbial. By this Vartika, it is Dvitiya. Now here we have Tritiya, that is by Prakrityadibhyaha upasankyanam. Bhavasuchaka. Shabdanam Tritiya Vibhakti. Instead of saying, giving the sutra, he says Bhavasuchaka. Okay. Saha Parishramena. Huh?
It will be abstract noun, Indraji. Parishrama or Santoshena. All these things will be
Not a abstract noun is that, abstract, indicator of the bhava, the state. Bhava generally mean abstract noun, like patanam, karanam. Bhava indicates your action. But here, indicator of that action.
Yeah.
Santoshaha is indicator, but put in Tritiya Vibhakti Santoshena. Only Parishramaha, Bhava. That is Bhava Suchakanam Shabdana. It's not abstract noun. We cannot say abstract noun. Abstract noun, we can say, for example, when you had a lut or no, even null, that's one sutra, bhavecha. So, you can say abstract noun, why not? Pakaha, tyagaha, all these are abstract nouns. Bhave, ghain, for example, we say tyajadatu, ghain pratyaya, you get tyagaha. Similarly, pachdatu, ghain pratyaya, pakaha.
Pachana. Oh.
Similarly, santosha, sam, purvaka, tushdatu, then to become tosh, I think rikaranta, I think will take up or ach pratyaya. So tush become tosha, abstract noun. Yes, santosha is abstract,
Adverb.
but not
Adverb.
not adverb, not adverbial. That's what I'm saying. It's not adverb. It's not adverbial.
It
Adverb
describes
is
the verb only.
santoshena bhava suchaka shabdam. Adverb is
Oh, it will be for Visheshana for Kriya Pada. Adverb.
okay. You can say in English adverb. Yes, possible. Yes, why not? Yes, adverb. But when you say adverb, not all adverbs will take tritiya or dvitiya, depending on what you have to see. In Sanskritam, we have bhava suchaka shabdanam tritiya, that is prakriti upasankhyanam by the tritiya. And if it is karmattam mishyate, if it qualifies the verb, kriya visheshana, it is very clearly given kriya visheshanana. Kriya visheshana means adverb. But here, can we say adverb? You can say loosely. When you translate into English, the balaka, he went to play happily. Right? So, in English, it is adverb. Yes, you can say. But kriya visheshana, the word is not used here. Prakrityadibhyaha upasankhyanam is given. So, you can say adverbial, nothing wrong. So, not that when you take adverb, if you say, you cannot fix the vibhakti. It is dvitiya, tritiya, depending on the vartika, prakrityadibhyaha upasankhyanam by the tritiya, and kriya visheshanana napumsakatvam, karmatvam napumsaka ekavachanam. So, depending on that, you have to ordain vibhakti to it. Okay. Adverbial, yes, you can say adverb, but not because it is adverb, it is not dvitiya. You understand?
Yes.
In
Yes.
Sanskritam, in English, when we translate, we say santoshena is happily. Saha mandam gachati, he goes slowly. Saha mridu pachati, he cooks softly. So ly we use, ly is adverb. Right? So in that sense, it is adverb, yes, you can say adverb. Okay. Santosha, the word is bhava, and that indicated by this shabda, that is shabda which indicates that bhava will be in tritiya. Bhava suchaka shabda. Saha parishramena krishim karoti sma. Okay. Parishramena krishim. He does agree, krishi karyam karoti with difficulty. So here we cannot say difficultily. How do you translate into Sanskrit, English? He
With the difficult.
with great difficulty. There it is adverb. That's what I said, no? In English, we cannot do exact. Therefore, we say parishramena. It is adverbial to say, we have to think. Here we can say santoshena, adverb in English happily. Parishramena, it does the job of krishikaryam, agricultural activities with difficulty. Okay. So it is, you can note, this is, instead of using the word adverb and all, you can use it is prakrityadi upasankyanam. And kriya visheshananam, that it is very clear, it is adverbial. Kriya visheshanam. Okay, mata dash balakam taditavati.
Krodena.
Hena
Krodena.
Balakam.
So translation would be mother angrily, right?
Angry.
So therefore angrily adverbial. You can say in English is not a problem. Krodena, but sutra is
Prakrityadibhyah.
prakrityadibhyah.
Yadibhyah.
Otherwise, which way, by what sutra it will take tritiya? No other sutra, right? So prakrityadibhyah, bhavasuchaka. Krodaha also bhavasuchaka. Krud plus gaim pratyaya. You get krodha. Nirdanaha dash dhanam sampadayati. With difficulty.
Kashtena.
Yagam drishtva pantaha. Pantaha, the traveler, yatrika. Dash kampatesma.
Bhayena.
It's a good example. In the Prakriti Adigana, we have got only few words, but he has given many words here. So all these are Prakriti Adigana Upasankhyanam. You can note. Marana Vartam Shutva Sa dash Rodaram Kritavati.
Dukkhena.
Dukkena. How do you translate? She cried with sorrow. Sorrowfully cried. You can say sorrowfully cried. Okay. Bhavan yat karoti tat dash
Anandena karatu.
Anandena karotu. Dash kimapi karya ma karotu.
Tvaraya kimapi karyam.
What is Twara is?
Fast.
Yeah. So it is Tvar Dhatu becomes Twara and Srilinge Twara. Tvaraya. Yeah. Do we have in Pullinga? Tvarena. That must be possible. I have to check this, how this word comes. So generally we say Tvaraya. Tvarena. The word Tvarena is there. Check. Not sure. Tvar is hastily. So I think possible because it is we get a word and convert into Srilinga by adding top pratyaya become Twara. Twara, possible. So Twara is given Srilinga form. If it is Twara, then Twarena we can say. Twarena karya ma karatu or Twaraya mam karatu. Both are okay. Saha adhikari sada api dash vyavaharati. It is. Rukshata, jagar, I mean carefully.
Okay.
Rukshata, jagarukshata we say, no? Rukshata. The status of being careful. That is rukshata. Ruksha. Carefully. Sorry, rukshata is carefully. Jagarukshata is carefully. Rukshata is?
Rude.
Rude, okay. Yeah. Okay, jagarukata is carefully. Rukshata is rude. What is the dhatu? I have to check. Ruksha. Must be.
Ruksh dhatu.
Ruksha is possible. I have to check whether it is there. It is ruksh. Ta pratyaya, it is tadita word. Tasya bhavaha tvatala. Ruksh. Rudely. Sorry, not jagarukata is carefully. Adhigari rukshataya arukshatvam. Rukshatvena. That is also possible. Napumsakalinga. Boho rakshakaha. Bhavantaha dash bhavanam rakshantu.
जागरूकतया भवनं रक्षन्तु।
Jagarukataya or Jagarukatvena. All these are, this is very clearly Bhava because we have a sutra, Tasya Bhavaha Tvatalu. That's a sutra which says Tasya Bhavaha Tvatalu. It's a Tadita. That Bhava, the word itself is there. Bhava Prakram, Tasya Bhavaha. Tva Pratyaya and Tal Pratyaya. Tva Pratyaya added to the Pratipadikam. It gives a new Pratipadikam, Tadita and the Pratipadikam, and will be Napumsakalinga. And Tal will be, Lakara is italator, will be Trilinga. Bhavaha asminarte shashti samartat tva tal pratyaya. Example, actually consider example. So gata plus tal gatata, the status of being a gata, or gatatvam. Gatata akaranta shabda. Gatatvam, gatatva napumsakalinga shabda. Similarly, gatatvam, patatvam, all. So jagarukata. Maya dash kimapi vaktavyam nasti.
विशेषतया
विशेषतया
Nothing special, especially, I don't need to say anything. Rama Ramesh Yogo Vivagaha
वैभवेन
Vaibhavena
भवेन प्रवृत्त
Pravrittaha. Kashtam yavat ma va bhavatu bhavan dash karyam karotu.
सहनया
Sahanaya. Sahana is a lut. Sah plus lut pratyaya, Srilinge Sahana, top pratyam yojayitva Sahana, then can be declined. Akaranta Shabda. Etam vartam shutva sa nishvasitavati.
सा तृप्त्या
निश्वसितवती
Trip plus tin pratyaya, then you get triptihi. Nishvasitavati means the perumuchu. What is that called in English? Nishvasitavati. Sigh of relief. Right. Great sigh of relief. Adhyapakasya tarjanam shrutva sa dash shiraha avanamaya stitavati. Bending down the head. Jaya. Shiraha is Dvitiya Bhakti. Avanamaya, for which the karma is Shiraha. Shiraha, Shirasi, Shiramsi, Shiraha, Shirasi. So Dvitiya Ekavachanam. Lajjaya, Prakrityadibhyaha Pasintyanam. Kaha saha iti Govindaha, dash Ramam Prishtavan.
कुतूहलेन
फलेन कामं पृष्ठ
Parajayam Prapya saha, dash Prati Gatavan.
निराशतया
आशतया प्रतिगतवान्
प्रतिगतवान्
Nir plus Ash.
आश
Then Asha. From that we get Asha. Asha is the word. Pratipadikam, and get another Pratipadikam by adding Tal Pratyaya Nirashata. The status of being disappointed. Nirashataya Pratigatavan returned. Okay, fine. Up to this. Now we will read the new sutra. We have to read what is sutra. Tata Yuktam Anipsitam. Tata Yuktam Cha
तटस्थं
Anipsitam.
च अनिप्स
That is 1450. Tata Yuktam Cha Anipsitam.
निप्सितम्
Na ipsa is sananta. Then ta pratyaya ipsita. Na ipsita,
नञ्च
na ipsita,
अनिप्सित
anipsita. How you get anipsita? What's the sutta? That also we have seen. Nanch, tasman nut. Tasman nut achi. Remember? Tasmat nut achi. When ajadi pratyaya comes, then, sorry, when ajadi, not pratyaya, smeta. The word beginning with ach, then nut will come and nakara. Tasmad lupta nakarat nanyaha nut agamaha bhavati ajari uttarapade. So like ajaha, na ajaha,
नञ्च
we have
नचः
na ajaha becomes na is there. In na, nakara will become lopaha, lupta nakarat nanyaha, then nut agama bhavati. Na ajaha in na, that is the purva pada. Nakara will go away. Then you will have a, and nuttagama comes for the uttara pada. So an plus ajaha, anajaha, anashvaha, tasmat, nudachi. You have seen this, right? By that it happens. Okay. So tapa anipsitam na ipsitam anipsitam nanch tatpurusha samasa. Tata yuktam becomes tata yuktam. There is no ayuktam. Huh? Tata yuktam. Kartuhu kriyaya aptum yet ishtatamam is purvam. Ani ipsitam. Ipsitamam is purva sutra. Here anipsitam. Kriya yet aptum anipsitam tatkarakam palashayam sat. That being the palashaya. Palasya ashraya kutra vartate karmani. In karma. Therefore tasya karma sanyam bhavati. Yata gramam gachan trinam prashati. Gramam gachan ahim langayati. So this is a famous example. Trinam prashati. In fact, that is what in the Sanskrita Bharati book we stopped there actually. We will read from that later. So further. Now, Karake iti asmin adhigaraihi yaihi dashabhihi sutraihi karma sanyayaha vidanam kriyate. Teshidam Saptamam Sutram. 10 sutras are there which define karma sanya. This is the 7th sutra. Kriyayaha vyaparena kartuhu yat ishtatamam tasya kartuhu ipsitamam karma ityanena karma sanyam siddhayam. Karma sanyam siddhayam. What saptami is that?
Sati Saptami.
Sapti saptami. Sati, the word is understood. What will be the sati? Sati or satyam? Satyam. Right? Okay,
Yes.
Satyam. Tenaiva prakarena ityukte, same way, tata eva palashayatva yuktam sat, kartuho yat anipsitam ityukte yat kriya ipsitam na, tasyapi, prakrit sutrena, karmasanya vidiyate. Asya dve udaharani etadrishe. Devadattaha gram gachan ahim, ahi is snake. Ahim langayati. Langayati jumps, crossover. Langanam. Kaschana Devadattaha Gramam Gantum Margena Padvyam is
My feet.
Patkaraka. Patkaraka is
Padvyam Karana.
Karana only. Devadattaha Gramam Gantum Padvyam Margena. Margena is Tritiya Bhakti. Gramam Gantum Margena. Margena Tritiya or not? Tritiya.
Tritiya.
How? How it is Tritiya?
Oh.
Margam Grantum Margena. You have seen. In the table it is there. Margena. 1 minute. Let me check the stock example. It is there. Margena Tritiya. Margena. Just a minute. I'll just check that. Margena Tritiya Bhakti. Somewhere it is there, the table which saw that example. All these are Dvitiya. So, interesting. Tritiya. In the table, we have a lot of examples. The Prakriti Adibhya Upasankhya, you can see. So many examples are there. Namna, all this. Prakriti Adibhya, just now what we saw. Prakriti Tritiya. And Hetu. The direction of route. Okay. Katamena Digbhagena. So Upapada Vibhakti Margena. But somewhere I saw that, I don't remember. Margena, the word itself is there. It was somewhere. The direction of route followed to go to a particular place. That also becomes Tritiya Vibhakti. Not Karana, it is Tritiya by Upapada Vibhakti. Okay, we have to take like that. So Padyam Gacchati, Devadattaha Gamam Gantum. How does he go? By Marga. So Marga also becomes the Karana. Margena Padya. Not Karana Karaka, it is Upapada. Upapada Vibhakti. Please note. Padyam is Karana, Karaka, therefore Tritiya. Marga is Margena. Okay. Agre Saran Marge Vidyamanan Kantakan Nadim Parvatam Avashyam Langayitum Ichet. Parantu Saha Marge Vidyamanam Ahim Naiva Langayitum Ichati. Sarpaga Drishyate Chet Marge Parivatanam Krutva Eva Saha Agre Gache. Iti Samanyah Vyavaharaha. अतः लङ्घनक्रियायाः सन्दर्भेन अगिः इति देवदत्तस्य ईप्सितं नास्ति अपि तु द्वेष्यं त्याज्यम् एव अस्ति अस्यां स्थितौ यदि देवदत्तः अनवधानेन अगिं लङ्घयेत् तर्हि अगिपदार्थस्य कर्मसंज्ञा भवेत् वा इति प्रश्नः उदेति तत्र लङ्घनक्रियायाः कृते अहिपदार्थस्य ईप्सिततमत्व अभावात् कर्तुः ईप्सिततमं कर्ममिति पूर्वसूत्रेण तु अहिपदार्थस्य कर्मसंज्ञा अत्र नैव सम्भवति परन्तु एतादृशी कर्मसंज्ञा अवश्यम् एव ईष्यते नाट् ईष्यते इष्यते अतश्च तां विधातुं प्रकृतसूत्रं निर्मितम् अस्ति क्रिया आप्तुं यत् ईप्सिततमं तद्यथा फलाशयं सत् कर्मसंज्ञा भवति तथैव क्रियया आप्तुं यत् अनीप्सितं तदपि फलाशयं सत् कर्मसंज्ञं भवति इति प्रकृतसूत्रस्य आशयः अतः एव ग्रामं गच्छन् अहिं लङ्घयति इति अत्र लङ्घनरूपव्यापारस्य फलम् अहिपदार्थे न पश्यन् किञ्च अहिपदार्थे लङ्घनक्रियायाः फलं न भवेदिति यतमानः अपि देवदत्तः प्रायेण अनवधानेन तत्रैव तस्य फलं लभते इति कारणात् अहिपदार्थस्य फलाशयत्वात् प्रकृतसूत्रेण अत्र कर्मसंज्ञा भवति ततः च एतादृशस्य अनदीतकर्मणः निर्देशार्थं कर्मणि द्वितीया इति अनेन द्वितीयायाः प्रयोगं कृत्वा ग्रामं गच्छन् अहिं लङ्घयति इति प्रयोगः सिद्ध्यति बिफोर
Yes, sir.
huh?
Yes, sir.
Simple
Yes.
done. Simple only. So Gramam Gacchati, while going to the Gramam, see somewhere we saw in the table it is the path by which the person travels, that is also Tritiya.
With verbs indicating motion, that takes a tritiya. That point 47 we have.
Yeah.
We
So
haven't
that's what I was looking.
mentioned. The margena is not there, but with verbs indicating motion will take tritiya.
40,
47.
47, no, something else is there.
And and down and there, no, 47 down.
47.
And the G point.
Yeah, the verbs, with the verbs indicating
Motion. And there. And the meaning la the varma, it will it come.
G in an
Margena.
example must be there.
In example, there is no margena. Only ratena sancharate and
With the verbs indicating motion.
it come in that sense.
See, the example with the verbs indicating motion.
Will take tritiya.
It's just okay. Possible. I have to check words indicating motion. The example given is the Ratena Sancharate. So that's an example given. Atmanaha Padam Vimanena Vihahamanaha. Vimanena Vihahamanaha. We take Atmanaha Padam passing through his own abode. Vimanena in a balloon. Stay in the balloon. So Vimanena we take to be a Karana Tritiya. Ratena also. Sancharam Kurute Katam by Ratena. Rata we take to be. Yeah, we can take this also. It's Athena Sancharate. You can take Tritiya by this, but there is no sutra to map this. Okay. It's all known only by the Prayoga. So Margena we can take, that is how it is, Margena. It is not Karaka Tritiya, it is Upapada Tritiya. Not Pariganita Pada, not Padantarat, it is Artha Vishesha. By that, it can take Margena Tritiya. Usage is there, therefore.
Can we say Bahya Karanam? Like
Huh?
that I have Bahya Karanam. In some other
Bhagye.
Bahya Karanam. Under
Yeah.
Kartru Karna Yogo Tritiya. Bahya Karanam. I have taken one example as Krishna Rathena Dwarakam Gachati. In one of the classes only you said this. Abhyantara Karanam and Bahya Karanam, like the two divisions you have given. Not in the notes. I took this when you were taking class.
Oh, Bhagyam Karanam. Vakyam Karanam. Okay. In the which context, remember?
Under Kartru Karna Yogo Tritiya.
Kartru Karna Yogo.
Karane cha tritiya. Anabhihita.
Abhyantara karanam it is here. The instrumental case expresses the karta in karmani prayoga. Manasa narayanam smarati and
yeah.
ratena dvarakam gacchati. This is karana tritiya.
That one bahya karanam I have written.
Yeah, that is abhyantara karanam. Yeah, this is karana tritiya.
So same way we can say here also.
No, here margena is there, right? Marga is the path. It is not a karana. That's why I said it's not karana tritiya. It is upapada tritiya.
There now in 47th, there we saw Ratena.
Yeah, that movement action, that motion action, it takes tritiya. Is it not like that, Sharanji?
Yes, the motion. Yes, the motion is there. Motion is there. Therefore, tritiya. Ratena sancharate. Similarly, we can take here also margena. Why not? Possible. Yes, that's what upapada tritiya. It's not the Sumo Sutram for this. Margena padbyam agre. One is padbyam is karana, margena is upapada. Okay. Now this paragraph you follow. So, marge gachan saha, marge vidyamanam agim langayitam na ichati. Marge vidyamanan kantaka nadim parvatam, of course, langayitam ichati. Kintu vidyamanam agim langayitam na ichati. Therefore, anishthitatvat. Sutram tata yukta anishthitam iti sutrena karma sanya. Because it is not ipchitatamam. Agipadarthasya ipchitatamatabavat. Therefore, we cannot apply the previous sutra. By that, we cannot add in karma sanya. Parantu etadrishi karma sanya avashyam ishyate. Therefore, tamidatum prakrita sutra nirmitam asti. Therefore, kriyaya yat aptum yat ishtatamam, that is katuhi ipchitatamam karma, by that karma sanya. Yat na ipchitatamam. Yat anipsitam. Tasyapi palashayam sat. Palashayam is there. Palashayam Parasyashraya karta karmani pashyati. Palashayam sat. Therefore, the sutra is required. Here the palasya ashrayam karma and karma is anipsitam. Previous sutra is palasya ashrayam karma, that karma is ipsitatamam. That's the difference. So therefore, langana rupa vyaparasya palam agipadaarte na यद्यपि न पश्यति अगिपदार्थे लंगमानं लंगन क्रियायाः फलं न भवेत् इति यतमानः अपि प्रायेण अनवधानेन तत्रैव तस्य फलं लभते. Therefore, इति कारणात् अगिपदार्थस्य फलाशयत्वात् प्रकृतसूत्रेण कर्मसंज्ञा. So लंगन क्रियायाः फलं Na bhavediti yatamanaha. Yatamanaha means the one who tries, who attempts. Langana kriyayaha palam. Kutra na bhavet. Agipadaarte na bhavet. So therefore it is anipsitam. Langana kriyayaha palam. Parvata padarte bhavet. Nadi padarte bhavet. Iti yatamanaha. Palam agipadaarte na bhavet iti. Therefore it is anipsitam. Tatrapi प्रायेण अनवधानेन तत्रैव फलं लभते इति कारणात् तत्रैव फलं लभते. Therefore, by previous sutra, we cannot. Anavadhanam means avadhanam, anavadhanam. Prayena anavadhanena tatraiva palam labhate. He happens to see the snake on the way. Therefore, what happens? So, anavadhanena tatraiva tasya palam labhate. Therefore, agipadadasya palashayatvat karma sanya bhavati. Avadhanam, savadhanam, opposite of that is anavadhanam. So, therefore, it is inadvertently. Therefore, it happens to see the palam in the agi. It is not ipsitam, therefore anipsitam. Anavadanena tasyeva palam bhavati. Okay. So he happened, I mean, if yes, the person walking on the way, it is there. So carelessly, suppose it's not careful, then happens see the snake, then he has to jump, no other choice. So therefore, anavadanena tatreva tasya, that is kartuhu tasya palam labate. Therefore, iti karanat ahi padarthasya palashayatvat prakrita sutrena karma sanya. So, therefore, anipsitam trapi karma sanya. Here, anavadanena, what tritiya? Rayena is avya. Rayena, anavadanena, tatraiva palam labate. Prakrityadibhyaha upasankyanam.
Oh,
Okay, by
bhava
that,
is there.
yes, anavadhanam, bhavasuchaka shabda. Anavadhanena, tatraiva tasya palam labate. Iti karanat. Prakrityadibhya upasankyanam, by that tritiya. Anavadhanena palam labate. Kaha karta. What tasya palam is referring to the kriyayaha palam. Tasya referring to kriya. That langana kriya. Langana vyapara. Se palam tatraiva labate. Agi padarte na pashyan. Agi padarte langana kriyayaha palam na bhavet iti yatamanaha api devadattaha. Tasya referring to devadatta. Sorry. Rayena avadhaneva tasya devadattasya palam labate. Okay. Yes. 1 minute. Ragena anavadhanena palam labate tatraiva referring to ahi padarte eva tasya palam labate. Tasya, what is tasya? Tasya referring to ahi padartha. Okay. Ahi padarthasya, ahi padarte tatraiva ahi padartha. 1 minute. I'm just saying wrongly. Gramam gachan ahim langayati iti yatra langana rupa vyaparasya palam ahi padartena pashyan devadattaha prayena anavadhanena. Okay. Tatraiva devadatasya tasya referring to kartari shashti it is. Okay. Devadatasya palam labate. Kartari it is shashti. Iti karanat ahi padarthasya palashayatva. Okay, anyway, the sentence, this paragraph is, I think you can understand the meaning. Another example is giving evameva odanam bunjanaha visham bhungte. So bhojana kriyayaha sandarbhe vishasya poison. तथा च ग्रामं गच्छन् चौरान् पश्यति इत्यत्र दर्शनक्रियायाः सन्दर्भेण चौराणाम् अपि विषयस्य चौराणामपि अनीप्सितत्वात् द्वेष्यत्वात् therefore प्रकृतसूत्रेण कर्मसंज्ञा भवति. भुञ्जानः is shanach. Odanam भुञ्जानः devadattah. So therefore odanam is the karma for the bhuj dhatu. And here also bhungte is a mukhya kriya padam for which the karma is visham. Now here we are discussing why visham is karma sanya. Aneeksitatvad, dveshyatvad, dveshamanatvad. Therefore it is karma sanya. Similarly, gramam gachan. Gachan referring to Devadatta. Gram is a karma karaka for gamana kriya. So gramam gachan Devadattaha chauran pashyati. Chaura is not ipsitam. So darshana kriyayaha sandarbhena chauranam anipsitatvat trikla karma sanya. Devadattaha gramam gachan trinam sprashati. This is a stock example. So gramam gachan Devadattaha marge. on the path, marge. This is marge, somewhere there in the notes also, I don't not find anywhere. Marge is what Karaka. I mean, it is what Vibhakti Saptami.
Saptami, Adhika.
Marge, you can say it is three types. Upashleshika, Abhivyapaka, then Vaishayika. So what Saptami? Marge, on the way. Upashleshika.
Oh,
Marge Vidyamanan Trinahan Aham Sprashami. So Vidyamanan is Shanach, qualifying Trina. So Trina is a karma. Aham Sprashami. Iti Naiva Chintayati. He doesn't plan and walk the path. Tatapi Saha Tan Avashyam Sprishta Eva Agre Gachati. He has to, Sparshanam. Krita Eva, he can go further. Because grasses are on the way. So without Sparshanam, he cannot move. Therefore, Sparshana Kriyayaha Krite Trunamiti Devatattasya Ipsitam na vartate. Na Dveshyam na Ipsitam. Poor example where it is Dveshyam. But here it is not Dveshyam, but not Ipsitam also. Yadyapi tata Dveshyam Tyajam api nasti. Yes, he says. It is not Dveshya like Chora, like Visha. Tyajam. Devadatta Trinani Drishtva Purvavat Margam Naiva Parivartayet. It doesn't change the path. He goes further. Tatapi Saha Trinani Sprashnam Anena Panta Gachan Asmiti Nahi Chintayati. Itikte Sparshana Kriyayaha Palam Trineshu Asti Uta Nasti Iti Asmin Vishe Devadattaha Udasinaha Asti. Neither he has got Dvesha or he doesn't want to touch the grass, not Ichitam also. Therefore, Ityukte Ataheva Trinapadartaha Atra Devadattasya Anipsita Rupena Pariganyate. Is a good example. It is neither Dvesha Vishaya not Ipsita Tama Vishaya. Parantu Sparshana Kriyayaha Palam tu Trinaiva Vartate. Asyam Sitau Trinapadartasya Purva Sutrena Prapta Karma Sanya Prakya Sutrena Diyate. Because it is not Ipsita, therefore by what sutra we cannot in karma. We require the sutra. So Ipsitam could be therefore Dveshya or it could be just Anipsitam also. But both are possible. Two examples are given. So Devadatta Vishambhungte is example for Dveshya. Choran Pashyati is for Dveshya. Trinam Spashyati is an example for Anipsitam. Both are Anipsitam only, but here Udasinaha Bhavati. So we can take the two examples. One example Dveshya, other example for Udasinatva. Dveshyatva Udaranam, Udasinatva Udaranam. So Trinam Spashyati iti Prayogaha Siddhyati. Similarly, Gramam Gachan Vriksha Mulani Upasarpayati iti atra Upasarpana Kriyayaha Samdarve Vriksha Mula Padartaha Prakita Sutrena Karma Sangika Bhavati. Upasarpayati meaning this is only dhatu, strip dhatu, right? Strip becomes sarpi, sarpe, sarpaya, sarpayati. Causative. Same thing, upasarpayati is strip dhatu, causative becomes sarpi, sarpayati, right? Upasarpayati is strip means to move. So upasarpana means going. Upasarpayati. Same meaning. From the strip dhatu only you get the form. Causative form. Sarpayati. You can see upasarpanam, given the meaning is as given approaching, right? Upasarpayati, advancing, act of advancing softly is given. So Vriksha Mulani Upasarpayati. There also, here also it is Ipsitamam. Na Ipsitamam, Anipsitam only. So Suchana. Gramam Gachan Nahim Langayati Tata Gramam Gachan Trinam Spashati Etayoho Udaharanayoho Grama Padartaha Gamana Kriyayaha Ipsitamaha. Therefore it is Dvitiya Bhakti here. अत्र ग्रामपदार्थस्य कर्मसंज्ञा कर्तुः ईप्सिततमं कर्म by that सूत्र कर्मसंज्ञा प्रकृतसूत्रे तु लङ्घनक्रियायाः कृते अनीप्सितः यः हि पदार्थः तथा च स्पर्शनक्रियायाः कृते यः अनीप्सितपदार्थः तृणपदार्थः तयोः विधानार्थं प्रयुज्यते एतत् सूत्रम् यदि तयोः अनीप्सितत्वं नैव स्यात् इत्युक्ते यदि ग्रामं गच्छन् देवदत्तः स्वज्ञाति पुरस्सरं स्वज्ञाति इस् स्वज्ञाति स्वस्य ज्ञाति स्वस्य ज्ञानं पुरस्सरं following his intention unpurposefully that's the meaning following स्वज्ञानं स्वज्ञाति one's knowledge it means purposefully अगिं लङ्घयेत् उत तृणं स्पृशेत् तर्हि तत्र तु अगिपदार्थस्य तृणपदार्थस्य by कर्तुः ईप्सितं कर्म कर्मसंज्ञा भवति भवितुम् अर्हति so if it's स्वज्ञाति पुरस्सरं ज्ञाति is ज्ञाधातु plus tin pratyaya ज्ञाति strilinga स्वस्य ज्ञाति is one's ज्ञानम knowingly purposefully पुरस्सरं following so purposefully if it does then it will take the sanya karma sanya by the previous sutra if it is anisitam then by this sutra get karma sanya so therefore kartuhu vivaksha so it depends on the vivaksha of the speaker अनेप्सितम् इति शब्दः न ईप्सितं प्राप्तुम् इष्टं तत् अनीप्सितं तत्पुरुषसमासा दिस आर जस्ट नाउ नन् शब्दस्य स्पष्टीकर्तुं भाष्यकारः न अयं प्रसज्य प्रतिषेधः ईप्सितं न इति किं तर्हि पर्युदासः रिमेंबर दिस वर्ड्स प्रसज्य प्रतिषेधः पर्युदासः
Yes, Jay.
पर्युदासः is example अब्राह्मणम् आनय remember you bring the person who should not be a brahmana it means you have to bring that is important but the person should not be a brahmana prasajya pratisheda is there pratisheda is highlighted so therefore here na ayam prasajya pratishedah ipsitam na bhavati kim tarhi paryudasah iti atra nan शब्दस्य अर्थं स्पष्टीकुर्वन् भाष्यकारः ब्रूते भाष्यकारेण अत्र नञ् इति पर्युदासः अस्ति इति प्रतिपादितं वर्तते इट इज प्रतिषेध इट्स ऑफ टू टाइप्स पर्युदास एंड प्रसज्य प्रतिषेध so here it is पर्युदास एतादृशे अर्थे स्वीकृते सूत्रस्य अर्थः यत् ईप्सितं न ईप्सित भिन्नं ब्राह्मण भिन्नं राइट सेम वे अदर देन ब्राह्मण ईप्सित भिन्नं तस्य पलाशयत्वे सति कर्मसंज्ञा भवति इति सिद्ध्यति एतादृशाः ईप्सित भिन्नाः शब्दाः द्विधा भवितुम् अर्हति टू टाइप्स ऑफ ईप्सित भिन्नाः इज ईप्सितं भिन्नं येषान्ते that is those words which are referring to which are different from ipsita. So here in this context it is Bahuvri Samasa. Anyway, the ipsita binnaha means different from what is desired. That is what ipsita binnaha. That is of two types. Te padartaha ye dveshyaha santi, te upekshaha santi. This is what example we saw. Ipsita binnaha can be either of these two types, either dveshya or upekshya. Dveshya is that which is hated. Upeksha is that which is over which we don't have any abhimana. So those which the doer would like to avoid, etesham anipsita shabdena nirdeshaha avashyam vasambhavati. Etesham prakrita sutrena karma sanya. Te padartaha upekshaha. Upekshaha is udasinatvam. Upeksha is neglecting, not bothering. Ipsitaha api na santi. द्वेष्याः अपि न सन्ति एतेषां विषये कर्तुः मनसि औदासीन्यं वर्तते therefore ईप्सिताः न सन्ति that is why भाष्यकार takes to be a paryudasa pratisheda means it is ईप्सित भिन्नाः other than Binnaha different from Ipsita. Different from Ipsita, either it could be because of Dveshya or because of Upeksha. Like Abrahmana Manaya. The person can be a Kshatriya, Vaishya, or Shudra, but should not be a Brahmana. Similarly here also. So it is not Prasajya Pratisheda, it is Paridasa Pratisheda. Therefore only we can bring in Dveshyaha or Upekshaha. Ye padartaha Dveshyaha va Upekshaha va santi. Kintu na Ipsitatamam. Tesham कर्म संज्ञा भवति सो अनेन सूत्रेण प्रकृतसूत्रेण अनीप्सितशब्देन द्वेष्यपदार्थस्य उपेक्ष पदार्थस्य वा चापि ग्रहणं भवति ओके देन ओके सूत्रस्य अन्वयः stop here 7:30 we have got class now stop here
Yes.
dalakrutyam we will see to be do you remember this paridasa pratisheda prasajya pratisheda Abrahmana Mane one example for Paridasa.
Yes,
And Prasajya Pratisheda we have example we have seen Anrutam na Vaktavyam. Remember Anrutam na Vaktavyam etc.
Yes.
So here it is not Prasajya Pratisheda, it is Paridasa Pratisheda. That is why we can bring this to Upekshya Padartha, Dveshya Padartha. Okay. We'll stop here. We'll continue this sutra next class. Om Purnamadah Purnamidham Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadhaya Purnamevavashishyate Om Shanti 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 Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha Harihi Om Dhanyavadaha
धन्यवादः जी
धन्यवाद जी
ధన్యవాదాలు శరణ్ జీ
Dhanyavadaha